i-deport ako. Kasi wala akong may pakita. Ay,
Gagawin nila dun sa mga dukot sila ng dukot.
pera. Pera eh.
Eh wala naman sila makukuha ang pera doon pag...
Hindi, ganun lang. Kukuhin yung wallet kapag walang pera. Tapon lang yun. Pero kapag may makukuha, tapon pa rin. Ibang document. Wala na silang isip. Pera lang yung habol nila. Tapos kapag may credit card ka, yung top up. Gagamitin mo yun kapag di mo na pa-block. Block ka. Tatap-tap lang nila yun kahit sila yan. Kasi meron yung top na ano, yung hindi kailangan ng pin mo.
Meron. Pero yung sa amin, hindi pwede kita. Kasi ano kami, pwede lang sa Canada. Ibang country na pwede lang pinag. Kailangan i-pasok ito.
Sa akin yung setting mo sa akin. Visa sa Visa card siya, pero pwede sa lahat.
Oo, pero pag pumunta kasi ibang country, hindi alam. Kailangan ipasok mo yung card.
This area, guys, 1,000 years old.
This area.
The oldest. It's the best time to come here before 5 o'clock. We have many boats, motor boats, transport the milk, the wine, the service, you know, from the town. But these boats start very early in the morning, like 6, 7 o'clock. They finish 3, 4, 5 o'clock. After 5 o'clock is another dimension because no traffic.
Oh.
If you go gondola ride in the morning, minimum is 5 minutes more each tour. Short or long, but only because there's traffic.
Oh.
Not because you see more. You see the same. But you have many confusion. Both parking here, we must stop to minute the car. Now it's lovely also for the sun.
Yeah.
Because this afternoon was 35 degrees.
Yeah. It was too hot.
Now it's winter for us.
Mm-hmm.
This area is also the area where is the residence people.
Oh.
The rest of the residents. Why I say the rest? 3 centuries ago we have 300,000 residents. Now only 50,000. I say the rest because everybody escaped. Why? Because 300 years ago we don't have you. Now we have 40 million of you of tourists here. What mean the price go 500-600% more right. Me work for salary 3,000. The one flat here costs 3,000. Impossible. When we live in Mestre, I pay 600. This is the reason we have 3 kids. Every family escaped there.
Yeah.
This is the reason
Because
I
it's
say
so
the
much.
rest 2 years is only 50,000 because
Yeah.
maybe or is rich or have the house to the family or maybe have the restaurant, good money for the salary.
Yeah.
But it's not logic because to pay 4,000 euro a month for the house.
No, it's
crazy.
too much.
It's crazy.
So much. You're not gonna live with this. It's just
Where are you
like
from?
we're from Philippines. Yeah. Hindi siya yung parang boat ride na meron yung isang lugar dito dun sa yun ata yung sinasabi nila.
Enfermo.
May
Ibang klase yung ano.
Samurai.
ang hirap dito itutulak mo ulit. Yung walang pwersa. Walang pwersa. Kita mo yung ano, DIY na
Esta una, Fabio. Sí, vaya. Esta una.
Left. Left hand drive sila dito.
mental din na ganyan. May mga number.
Sorry, madam. Mister.